Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Michael's, and I'm not sure, pretty sure you guys have already seen everything that they had to offer. I'm just going to give you a little brief view of what they have. They have that reef right there. Very pretty. Bless our nest. They have this guy right here. Those nice pillows. Welcome friends. They have some nice little plates right here. And these are actually ceramic. $7.99 for those. They have different ones in different colors. Some pink, blue, and yellow. They have these nice little containers right here in blue, pink, and white. These are $5.99. Right here. I see this one right here. These are $14.99. They come in that teal color and this pink one right here. Alright, so they have these guys and girls hanging out right here. I'm not sure the price of those. Let's see here. They are going for $39.99 for those. They have that reef right there. And they have that smaller one there at the top. Some of the picks down there. These eggs right here are $14.99. How cute are these little guys right here? Let's see what the price of those are. These are $19.99 for those. And how cute are these right here? They have the blue and the pink. $14.99 for these right here. These two. And $9.99 for those. A lot of nice items there. I love that door sign right there. They have a lot of little nice odds and ends for Valentine's Day. These little Easter bunnies right here, $6.99. And they have these little decors right here for $14.99. Cottontail forms. Very nice. All right, so I'm over here in the All Spring Decor collection. You get a 30% off of everything. So they have that wash and dry sign up there, $29.99 for that. They have a lot of wall decor in here. Welcome to the Wi-Fi. Welcome, the Wi-Fi password is $16.99. They have those little cute birds right there. $6.99 for those. $14.99. I love those pillows right there. Our Cottage. $29.99 for those. Stay a while. I love these little decors right here with the little flowers and the little glass jar. $14.99. They only have a select letters right here. They say while supplies last, so those are the only ones that they do have. Sit down, stay a while. Those pillows are very nice. And how cute are these? These will go great in your bathroom or wherever you want to put them. I'm just thinking to myself here. $9.99 for those. This is our happy place. I hope you guys are enjoying my home decor videos because, as I stated, I'm in the process of moving. So I just want to make sure I have all of the little odds and end things. I'm not buying too much here in Marshall, so I'm not buying anything today, but just wanted to come in and take a browse. $3.99 for those. Sweet Like Honey. $7.99. So anything that you see, you know, my name is Miss Queen Bee, so anything that I see with bee on it, I go for it because I love I love bees. They make honey, and I love honey. I have those. The baskets are $16.99. $16.99 each. All right, so I love these glass lanterns right here. These are $39.99 for the bigger ones. The smaller ones are $29.99. They have these little trinket dishes right here, $4.99, monogrammed. I love that mirror right there. I'm not sure what the price of it is. Let's take a look. $49.99 for that. That's very pretty. It's good to be home. A lot of farm decor items here. Those pillows with the farmhouse. What are these right here? Just stackable books here. These are going for $12.99. Family. More monogram letters and numbers. This is real, this is love, this is life. Very nice containers here. $16.99 for the bigger one, and this one is $14.99. I love this black bowl here. Nice little decorative bowl. $14.99. And how cute is the blue tray here? They have a lot of dark blues here. These vases here are $4.99. Those are really pretty. They also have them in white as well. They have a lot of blues here. Family, $16.99. $34.99 for that piece right there. Home is where the heart is. $34.99. All right, so they have tons and tons of nice lanterns right here. These are $19.99. $29.99 for those. These ones right here with the black top, $29.99. And the smaller ones are $19.99. Some nice gold ones here, or tarnish. $39.99 for the big one. $29.99 for this one. And these are $19. They also have a lot of beach theme items out here. Look at this little camper. $19.99. They have the little beach house here for $19. They have the little mushrooms here. Those are really nice. And they have tons and tons of bird houses here. So this one right here could be actually, yeah, a bird house. The camper as well. The wind chimes here. Look how pretty those are. $19.99 for those. Welcome to my garden. Both of these are $19.99. And they have a lot of the picks here. The garden stakes here, sorry. Those are $14.99. Very colorful. Be my guest. How nice. Hello, spring. All right, so look at the welcome signs here. That says hello, sunshine. That welcome sign is $39.99. Garden rules. Follow your heart. That's very pretty for $29.99. They have these nice pillows here. These are all 30% off. I love the vases here. They come in this color, yellow, and that teal back there in the back. These are $12.99. They have these right here, $7.99. They come in different ones. Very pretty. The little containers right here, they come in different colors. They are going for $14.99. They come in this teal color, yellow, and pink. And those flowers down there are really pretty. And what is this right here? You've got a peach of my heart. Those are really nice. $5.99 for those. That sign up there is going for $29.99. And this is just the Just Peachy section here. These are very nice. Come in different colors. I see the white and the teal. This right here says Just Peachy. Just a little container. $8.99 for that. And as you can see up there at the top, guys, they have a lot of those little mushrooms there for $4.99. Those are really nice. These little containers right here come in this pink and yellow, $6.99. And don't forget, these items are 30% off of all of these items here. All right, guys, so look how nice everything is on this back wall back here. This says stay a while. Happiness is homemade. Basically everything for the kitchen. Anything's type spring. Measurements here. I'm either baking, about to bake, or thinking about baking. All of these items are 30% off. Just a girl in love with baking, $9.99. They have the little colanders right here in pink and white. $6.99 for that. They have the little timers here. They are $9.99. The bread boxes here in white. You can also see that floral one there. These little peach, not candles, but they're just peach jars. They are going for $14.99. I probably would use this as maybe a recipe container. These are really nice. $9.99 for that. A lot of the letters here. This frame here. Very nice. Alright guys, so I just wanted to pop into Michael's to see what they had to offer. They pretty much put out all of their Easter items here, as you can see. But they have a lot of nice things here. Look at these little guys right here. They come in yellow and that teal color. $6.99. Also see pink as well. Happy spring, happy Easter. They have this hop sign right here. This guy right here on the back of the truck. This little cute camper right here. Happy Easter. $16.99. It looks like they're still putting things out, if I'm not mistaken, because they still have their sheet here. Everybody, welcome. So guys, I do want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. How cute are they? They come in different colors. Those, very cute. But thank you guys so much. This little Easter pillow right here is $29.99. But thanks guys for stopping by my channel today, and I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye guys.